Hello, everyone. I am Adam. Today, we want to share a simple but powerful real story with you.
And I am Alice. While you listen, you will learn easy English words and useful phrases and practice your listening.
This story is about a man who changed his whole life with just one small decision.
Let's begin.
This is Michael. He is 42 years old. Michael feels stuck. Every day looks the same.
He wakes up, he goes to work, he comes home, he sleeps, and he repeats this again and again.
Michael is not happy. He feels tired. He feels empty. But he doesn't know how to change his life.
One morning, something different happens. Michael is walking to work and he sees a man painting a big picture on a wall.
This big picture is called a mural. The colors are bright. The shapes are beautiful. The artist looks calm and happy.
Michael stops and watches. He feels something inside him wake up.
Beautiful, right? I quit my job last year. Now I paint full-time. It was the best decision of my life.
Michael is surprised. He thinks, how can someone be so brave?
And in that moment, something small changes inside him. A little shift.
That night, Michael sits alone in his apartment. He feels quiet. He feels thoughtful.
He asks himself a simple question. If I could change one thing today, what would it be?
He doesn't know the answer, but he knows one thing for sure. He cannot continue living the same way.
The next morning, Michael wakes up early, earlier than usual.
He puts on his shoes. He goes outside. He starts walking.
He sees the sunrise. He feels the cool morning air. He hears the birds and the city waking up.
And suddenly, he understands something important.
Change does not start with a big decision. It starts with one small step.
That same day, Michael joins an evening art class. Just one class.
One class becomes two. Two becomes a new hobby. And slowly, this hobby becomes his passion.
And step by step, Michael's life begins to change.
Now, let's learn some easy English words from the story.
Stuck, you cannot move or change. Routine, something you do every day. Mural, a big picture on a wall. Shift, a small change. Passion, something you love.
And here are three useful phrases. Lost in the moment. You focus on something and forget everything else. One small step. A small action that starts change. Best decision of my life. Something you are very happy you chose. Thank you for watching this story with us.
Remember, your English and your life can change with one small step.
See you in the next story.